Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm unboxing our Simply Earth November box. As you can see, I have two helpers today. We were just outside playing in the snow because today is our first snow day of the school season. So I have two assistants helping me unbox this. We came in from playing with the snow. I'm like, oh my gosh, it's November 1st. I have to share. This month I ordered one extra thing. I have these multi-purpose cleaning tablets. So this does not come in your November box, but I just wanted to share these with you. I don't know if I've shared these before, but they're basically little tablets, and I can open one and show you, that you put in a 16-ounce spray bottle, and then it makes a multi-purpose cleaner, which is super nice. So you have minimal plastic packaging, and then it's super easy and sustainable to make these. It's a little tablet, and it looks like this. So these are the cleaning tablets. I'll put a link to those in the description of this video. But now we're gonna open the November recipe box. So if you are not familiar with Simply Earth, it's a monthly subscription box. You get 4 essential oils, recipes, and things that you might need to make the recipe. Things that will not be included are like sugar or basic household items, but everything else should be covered and sent to you in the box. Do you wanna get the things out and show them? So for share the oils with you guys, go ahead. Can you read that one? Do you know what it says?
Lemon.
Lemon, good. Do you like lemon essential oil? What did she do? Hold on, Emery. Let her show lemon first, and then you can show the next one, Emery. Okay, so this is lemon. What do we use lemon essential oil for, Zara?
Hair.
What for your hair?
Rubber bands.
We use lemon to get the little tiny rubber bands out of their hair, and it's also nature's Goo Gone, so we use lemon a lot. I just did a whole video on lemon on my channel, Spearmint. Spearmint is the next one. This is a super fresh, like if you, like, you know what spearmint gum smells like? It's just like that. It's a little bit more sweeter than peppermint and has a few different uses. So we love spearmint too. It's in our tiny roller. It's Zara's turn, so she can share the next one. Nutmeg. I'm gonna show it close. Nutmeg essential oil. This is a holiday smelling oil. It's in a lot of like pumpkin spice diffuser blends or just seasonal like Christmas blends. Yeah, you can put the sticker on. So when you get this box, hold on one second, let me show first. That goes on the top of the bottle, okay? You also get labels to make all the things that you're gonna make, as well as like little top stickers for the bottles. So Zara's gonna put that on and show you. Did you do it?
Oh yeah. Lemon.
Oh, yep, sticker. So if like your oils are in a drawer or something, it's nice to have the top label sticker. And then what's the last essential oil, Emery?
Winter spice.
Let me read what's in winter spice, I forgot. So this is a blend. You usually get 3 singles in a blend. If you happen to have an essential oil or don't like one that's coming in your box, you can swap them out though. Just a side note, but winter spice is a blend of a few different essential oils. See what's in it. Tangerine, fir needle, and balsam fir. So very woodsy and sweet with tangerine. If you add some cinnamon to this, it's almost like if you are a young living person, it would be like Christmas spirit, which is Chris's favorite essential oil of all time.
Who's Chris? Who's Chris?
Who's Chris? That is their dad. Okay, next, this is just kind of about the box. Oh, I shared the 12 Days of Christmas box like a week or so ago. If you didn't see that, I will link that down below too, but they have, I wish I had it so I could just grab it quick, but it's a box of 12 essential oils. This is on this paper, in for each day you open, and it has an essential oil in it. It's like the, what is this called? Advent calendar of my dreams. Okay, so next are the recipe cards. Emery, can you read these to us so that we can see what's in it? Read it loud so they can hear, okay?
Sugar diffuser blend.
And, okay.
Homemade Christmas ornament.
We're gonna make ornaments. That's fun.
Wait,
okay.
Salve.
Okay, so we're making a salve. Massage, sorry.
Great the season bath salts. Christmas mint roll-on.
Roller.
DIY holiday body spray.
Oh, do you want to make one of these? Should we make one of these
DIY.
and show them how easy it is to make stuff too?
Mama.
Okay, what? Now, I don't know what's in there. Open it and see. So this is a massage stone. So you heat this up, and then when you make your massage salve, you get this stone. Can you grab it for me? And you apply the salve and then massage it with the hot stone. So I'm really excited about that. This is the spray bottle. Can you show that close, please? It's to make the holiday body spray. It's a really pretty, is it a spray top bottle? That's really cute. We'll make this one and show them. A rock not under your shirt. So you heat this stone, and this is for the massage. I've gotten one of these before in a box, a different like massage.
I'll heat it up.
No, you're not gonna heat it up. And then you also get this, which is probably for the bath salts to store them in. And you can just tie a little ribbon around that. That's such a cute gift. The theme this month is gift giving, and we do like to make gifts to make for holiday season. And these are all great. Like the ornament, what do we make the ornament out of? The ornament is winter spice, spearmint, and then baking soda and cornstarch. So those are the things you'll need to have on hand. But we've made that kind of ornament before. You kind of mix that up, and then it's kind of an air dry, I think. Heat the mixture and then remove from heat. Form the dough into a ball and cover it with a damp cloth. Allow to cool for 15 minutes. This is actually a little different. And then roll it out and use the cookie cutters to create ornaments. Maybe we'll do that today. That's a good snow day activity. And then you also get these little tags, gift tags, because we're making gifts this month. So, okay, I think that's it. We'll do in a separate video. We're gonna make this body spray and then we'll share in like a short or a different video, just so this isn't too long. But if you have any questions on Simply Earth, let me know in the comments. My link to shop will be down below, and I have a code that gives you $45 back to use towards different products or your next box. So it's kind of a no-brainer to try it for a month if you're into essential oils and kind of don't know where to start or how to use your oils. The value of this box, because I always like to share, is $120, and these are $45 a month. Thank you, Zara. Okay, so I think that's it. Yeah, the massage stone. I think that was it. Yeah, okay. You want to say bye? We're going to say thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye. Okay, ready? Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.